Hi friend, in this video I will show you how to find the sum of all even numbers which is greater than 10 using Stream API. So I am writing the question here. Given a list of integers, use stream streams to find the sum of all even numbers which is greater than 10. So for coding, I am going to IntelliJ. In IntelliJ, I will create a package for sum of even numbers. So I am going in IntelliJ. Here I have already created a Java programs project. In this project, I am creating a package if sum dot even numbers. In this package, I am creating a class with main method sum of even numbers. Numbers. Here I am writing the main method. In here I am adding the list. In list I am passing as an integer and here list and adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the integer value, list of integer value. Arrays as a list. Added here arrays as a list. Arrays as a list. In here now this is a list type data, list of integer data. So I'm adding list dot stream, and in the stream I will use filter method. In the filter method, first I will check it is greater than 10. If it is greater than 10, then we will again adding a filter method. In the filter method, I will check even numbers or not. If it is even numbers, then we will add it all the sums. So it is even numbers, sorry, my bad, even numbers. Then here using as a sum reduce method. In the reduce method, I will pass A comma B and here adding A plus B. Now storing this data in a one variable. This variable is optional, or we can use reduce sorry reduce dot is present. If it is present, if reduce dot is present, then printing system dot out dot println here even numbers sum, sum of even numbers, or we can change sum of even numbers. Here adding reduce.get method. Now I am going to run this method. You will see all even numbers. Sorry, my bad. Next here. Sorry, my bad. Now I am going to run this method and you will see 2, 4, 6. My bad, 1 minute. I think I missed something. I am not getting the output. I am not getting. Yeah, that is fine. Oh, sorry. It is greater than 10. So I need to add extra value like 20, 50, and 30 and 70 like this. Now I am running this main method. You will see 20 and 30, 50 answer it will come. You will also see in the console. So first I am streaming the list of integer data. After that I am adding filter method. In the filter method I will check that the given list of integer is greater than 10 or not. If it is greater than 10, then I am adding another filter. In the another filter I am checking, I am filtering the even numbers by module operator. And in the filters, after that I am using reduce method. In the reduce method I am calculating the previous value and current value and storing in one variable which is reduce. After that I am checking reduce if um, reduce data is present or not. If present, then printing the sum of even numbers in the console. Thanks guys. In the next video I will show you another programs for interview purposes. Thank you so much.